So as a wrap up, obviously, as we're encouraging our manufacturing friends who are listening into this podcast, right, as they get ready for a new year ahead in terms of preparing for whatever they need to do to reach their revenue targets, they first and foremost need to start with a perspective that, hey, marketing is not an expense, is an actual investment into the organization, and that it does require investment, and that has to be reasonable and substantial in terms of whatever the company size and what sort of growth goals that you have. And then the secondly is really becoming the go-to resource for your industry. And whether you sell directly to your end customer or selling it through distribution channels, you still need to become a go-to resource, providing a lot of insights and knowledge and expertise that your end customers can actually use to make a purchase decision, or empowering your resellers to be able to use that resource, that training and resources to be able to make your product to be the most appealing offer to the end customer.